Hello, teacher. I am Fernando Valencia Giron. I'm studying at the second semester at the University SECAR. Today, I'm going to speak about the can't and can't people do inside to the museum. All right, let's go. In the museum, people can speak with another person, and the museum people can use the cell phone or the camera. The people can take a picture. The people can speak with another about information about the arts, and the museum people can ask questions, and the museum people can listen the history, and the museum people can walk in group, and the museum people can maybe see the arts. Yes, let's go now with the people can do inside. At the museum, people can I'm sorry, listen to music. At the museum, people can't touch the art. At the museum, people can run. And the museum, people can't enter animal. And the museum, people can smoke. And the museum, people can eat. And the museum, people can't make noise. Okay, teacher. So that's it for today. Uh, this is a small history about the rules inside to the museum. Thank you for this opportunity and see you. Bye bye.